Hold on, wait a minute. Are those are, yep, those are definitely bullet holes. Uh-oh. Hey guys, what's going on, and welcome back to Shifting Lanes. My name's Chad, and today I'm in neither the Mustang or the C30. In fact, I'm going to be in that. So why am I trading in two awesome cars for a golf cart? And obviously there's a golf course behind me. Well, somewhere out in the distance there, in the golf course, in the middle of nowhere, is a potential treasure trove of abandoned vehicles. Or they're rust buckets. Either way, it should be really cool to check out what's there, try to figure out how they got there, what's on them, all that other stuff. So we're gonna hop in the cart, head on out there, and see what's what. So out there is the 15th hole, a par 5, but we're not here to talk about par 5s and going for it and all that fun golf stuff. No. We're here to talk because right about there is a car, over there is a car, and then there's a rust pile over there that I haven't been able to identify. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna head on into the woods and see what these bad boys are. So we have arrived at what I thought was a rust pile. Turns out to just be what I'm going to say is an old Chevy of some kind. I'm guessing that based on the dual headlights here. And as we come around back, the rear tail lights, I'm gonna say 60s Chevy, maybe an Impala. You guys can definitely correct me if I'm wrong, which is highly likely. There's our interior, or what is left of it. I'm gonna try to see that steering wheel from the other side, see if we can't get positive identification. Oh, an old chair. I'm guessing that wasn't stock. And there appears to be no column shifter, so we know automatic, or at least at one point this was. Oh, it might have been a manual. Cars of this era did come with on the tree, well, not that tree, on the tree manuals. There's not really much left to kind of give anything else, but yep, that is car number 1. Car number 2 is somewhere over there. Got a little thicket to navigate, but I think if we go around, we can get there. Alrighty, car number 2 has actually provided quite a surprise. First things first, I'm almost 100% sure this is a Falcon, an old Ford, and it's got a friend back there and more rust over there. This is it's actually really cool. I can't believe that there's more than what I originally thought back here. As we can see here, again, no engine, just empty engine bay, another column shifter. The body work is, well, I don't know if I can say it's better or worse, but it's definitely looks better, although it's not upside down. We got remnants of the seats in there, remnants of the old interior. I'm guessing it was green new, or at some point, well, I'm guessing it was only green in its life, except for this fender here, because you got all green by the rust. Although the front end does have some green on it. I don't know. No, I'm gonna say green. Final answer. Let's go around to the side. Sorry for my footprints, guys, but I am obviously in the middle of nowhere. The rear end, and here's kind of cool, if I can get the camera in on it. We know where this was sold. Sutton Ford in Livingston, New Jersey. It's actually kind of really cool. No light here, but the other side, light fixtures in there. Falcons have always been really cool. As many of you know, it's what formed the base for the original Mustang. So these are pretty popular in the hot rodding world. Let's see if we can get for the other side. There's a lot of pricker bushes here, so. But yeah, I always kind of wanted to play with one of these and do kind of a Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift themed. Take one of these, put a 2J in it. But that's really cool. We got an old lens for the taillight and some other stuff over there. Oh, we got a tire right about there. This is super cool, guys. And over here, another, what looks like Ford. That one's gonna be tricky to get to. Well, I guess this makes car number 3, although it's the second one in this little area. Let's get through here. I have no idea what that pile of rust is. It looks like a trailer over there as well. We'll take a look at that in a second, but another, oh, nope, not a Ford. Cadillac, no, Chevy. If you can see right there, there's what's left of the bow tie. I'm guessing Ed Hacks might have been a dealership where this was originally sold, or sold at some point in its life. Let's go around. Triple taillights on this one. Looks like it had, oh, we might be able to find out what exactly this is. There is some identification there. Let's see if we can move some stuff and figure out what this is. Okay, so we removed some debris to find this is an Impala. Another Impala, or maybe the first one. You can correct me on that one. Anyway, looks like we had some sort of blue and red color scheme going on here. This one, ooh, almost fell, is pretty rusty. And kind of hoping those aren't bullet holes. This property was once owned by, well, let's just say Italian businessmen. More in the interior as I put my hand right on a pricker. And rather unsurprisingly, no engine again. Some trim pieces here. There's our dual headlights. Grill looks pretty similar to the one up top there. I'm getting a little more confident that the first car was an Impala. Oh, we still got, ooh, we still have what looks like a steering box and a brake booster. Some hoses to God knows what. And whatever that is, that seems to be attached, whether by rust or nature. Pretty cool. There's the Falcon again. Oh, I'm heading over to there for the rust pile, but I came across one of these must have had a straight 6 in them, because we got valve cover just kind of chilling here in the bush. So we have by far and away what's in the worst shape of everything, although you can kind of make out a grill, kind of make out headlights. I'm thinking this was an old truck. Makes sense because it's next to a trailer. I mean, obviously trucks aren't part and parcel with trailers, but not really much left. That might actually be the bed. Now that I think about it, if we're calling this a truck, this could be a bed because there is nothing on the rear of this thing. So this might have been a big old work truck. What we got, I think a door perhaps here covered under, yep, there's the handle. Pretty cool. Yeah, because we have nothing back here, and we got more look at this. or it's definitely looking like a bed of some kind and not a trailer. Pretty cool. Over there, I saw a lot of chrome from the T-box, which is now up there. A lot of chrome, which has me pretty excited. So we're gonna somehow figure out a way to get out there and see what the last car, maybe not, and you know, I didn't expect to see, I only could see the green car from there, not the Impala, not the truck, not the bed or anything. So who knows what it holds over there. I just saw a lot of chrome. So we've arrived at what I'm calling location 3. Remnants of car parts. We have a hubcap over here, or hub ring. We have another, oh boy, pile of rust, a bumper, some discarded stuff. How are we gonna get over there? Off in the distance, that's the Impala we saw. I'm thinking there's... Whew! That was close. I'm all right. Okay. Like I was saying, I thought there was something else over here. I'm thinking it was just those rocks. Oh well. And here we are with, I'm thinking our last vehicle. We'll do some poking around, see if we can't find anything else, but what is this? 4-door 56, 57 maybe? Chevy? Let's see. Oh, there's the rear. We got chrome bumper, that's probably what I saw. Tail lights, but it's definitely starting to look like bullet holes. Huh. What does that say? EIRHT? Maybe that's a dealer? Definitely doesn't strike me for anything. Oh, we got another dealer sticker here. S something. All right, see if we can get a little more space. And wow. Oh, look at that dash, guys. Definitely gonna have to try to get up there. 4-door. Pretty much one with nature at this point. Oh, still some original glass left. Let's get up there. Oop. I saw something on the door. Oop, that's not gonna work. That might give us a clue what this is. 98. Oh, I should know this. Buick, maybe? There's our speedometer. Our AC stuff, wipers. Really cool. Looks like we had a checkerboard interior. It's all over the place, actually. Let's see if we can't see something from the front. Probably shouldn't put my hand on rust. Not one of my best ideas. Door mirror. Ooh, I see a VIN tag. Let's get over there and check that out. Oldsmobile. Of course, Oldsmobile. Oldsmobile division, General Motors, Lansing, Michigan. Our style number. Trim, K3. Don't know what that is. Body by Fisher. Some of our older viewers can kind of tell me what that is. And yeah, those are definitely bullet holes. Uh-oh. I don't really want to know how this car met its grisly end. And that is pretty much it, guys. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider subscribing, smashing that notification bell, and the thumbs up. All those things help us out, and it also helps you get the content you want quicker. Unfortunately, we didn't find any unclaimed treasures, anything that's gonna, pretty much all we found were a bunch of rusted out old cars, but that is still super awesome. It's just really, 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 really cool. And it's, again, the absolute last place you'd expect to find, what did we find? 5, 6 old abandoned classics, or old cars at least. A couple 4-doors, not too desirable. But at any rate, still a really fun day. And hey, contact at shiftinglanes.com. Email us some of the pictures of your awesome abandoned car finds. Maybe we'll put them up on our Instagram, all that other stuff. But this is a golf course, and if you want to hit us up on social media, it's at Shifting Lanes. I personally am at Chenedy83. If you want to help out the channel and get yourself something really, really awesome, like say a Volvo hoodie or a Shifting Lanes hoodie, t-shirt, mugs, cell phone, whatever, we have a ton of awesome swag in our Teespring account down below. It's a great way for you to get something really awesome and support the channel. We take every dime we make and put it back into making content for you guys, so definitely check that out. But for this one, guys, that's a wrap, and I will definitely catch you next time.